Jeff Bezos' Blue Origin is getting real close to flying passengers to space. Talking about April. April. Space tourism. You going to go for a flight or what?
Sign me up.
Yeah, you're going to go, man.
Let's all go.
Blue Origin completed the 14th test flight on its New Shepard rocket booster and capsule. Everything's going well. It's working as planned. It's one of these things where it goes, it takes off, it lands. You know, just like the stuff Elon's working on as well. They're kind of competing with each other for who's going to figure this one out first. Although I don't think SpaceX is as worried about passengers right now. That's more Virgin Galactic. They're working on that as well. The flight was the first of 2 stable configuration test flights. People familiar with Blue Origin's plans told CNBC stable configuration means that the company's plans to avoid making major changes between this flight and the next. So it's like basically everything goes perfectly. If you scroll down a little bit, you can catch a glimpse at what the cabin looks like. Maybe a little more comfy than you might expect. If you tell me, but I feel like I could do a little space flight in that one.
Yeah, there's windows for each chair. It's pretty nice. It reminds me of like a hot air balloon kind of situation, like adventure. You kind of go up into space and then you come right back down.
That's exactly what they do. Actually, you sit there for a little bit though.
Okay.
This is designed to carry people on rides past the edge of space. Your altitude is going to be 340,000 feet, which is more than 100 kilometers. Then you're going to spend several minutes in zero gravity before returning to Earth. Several minutes in zero gravity.
Fun.
That's going to be cool. Massive windows will give you a view. And then the rockets and the capsules are going to be reusable when you come back down. I don't know if I'm going to be the first person on there, but, and obviously the world is weird right now when it comes to any type of tourism, but that's a futuristic attraction.
Yeah.
Just a quick one up to zero gravity for a bit. Imagine the view.